Spice gives back to one of her fans at her New York show, and TC Rebel and Pretty Pretty prove their friendship to be inseparable.
Morning!
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Hope everyone is doing well today. Now, people, Spice had a show this past weekend in New York. So I say it looked like it was very successful. The turnout was huge. She actually posted on her Instagram. I personally didn't do a video on it because of the way how she was dressed on stage. You know, say Spice dressed well sexy sometime. And I did a Sunday, somebody say, you know what, I'm not going to touch it, but I see it and I feel like you see it too already, because if you don't follow Spice, you can't miss that, right? But yesterday now we see this post on Pink Wall, you know what I mean? And it's saying that Spice gave back to somebody at the show. Like she see somebody away a grassy noir or brand, and she decide to just pay them back feet with extra, right? So the person sent in and them say, big up Spice in giving back, as she says support for support. So one of her fans was wearing one of her grassy noir sweatsuit. She brought her up on stage and asked how much she paid for it. She told her $150. She asked Rasta for the $150 and he gave her $200, which she gave to her fan. Her show on Saturday was super late. Big up to the Rasta man that shows support to her in what she does, right? So now here we go on. That is a fan that was at the show. I said that Spice gave back the one of the person who purchased her grassy noir brand, give them back the money plus an extra $50, and them a big up Rasta too. And them say the show lit. Like me, I telling you from when me see on the video, yeah, the show did turn up. You see me? And if anybody will listen to this the day of the show, just tell down in the comment section. You know, say Spice show them always have a vibe. You know what I mean? I've been to a Spice show personally, so I know what I'm going, and not a long time still, like from 2015 so on. You see me? So people, I just want to shout out Spice, you know what I mean? Big up for that, you know what I mean? That's a great move and it's well appreciated. You know, this is not the person that actually get back the money attack, but I can just imagine how them feel, you know what I mean? That's a fan for life, although they already a fan, because them a shop, I buy Spice brand, and then they a Spice show up on top of it, so that's a real fan right there. And Spice know that, probably that's why Spice, you know what I mean? Just give back. And you know, it's a win-win situation. I would love to see that. You see me? So big up Spice. People want to get in the comment section. Let me know if you don't ever shop on Spice grassy noir website, never buy anything from her, you know what I mean? You never buy anything from our Laces and Faces brand as well. You see me? You never know, it might be a lucky day if you go to one of her show wearing one of her brand or something to that effect. You might be the next one to get back her money or whatever, you know what I mean? So big up Spice Panda one more time, and big up everybody we are support Spice. You see what I say?
Do not come behind me with no foolishness. You always try stop. Why you do that in a public and embarrass way? Come, pretty, come here, doll. Watch out, the people in food place. Watch out. Stop. Watch out. She embarrassing. Why she do that? Stop.
So if Good Friend Better Than Pocket Money was an actual group of people, it would have been TC, Rebel, and Pretty Pretty. I'm going to show you why in a minute. But let's talk about these girls' friendship. Now, we all know what circumstances and situation can push people together or tear people apart. And we know, say, the situations them with them been through no do nothing but push them together. You saw me and said the PTR syndicate is one to be reckoned with. Them are do well right now. Them show a shot, and individually they're still, you know what I mean, the people them on Instagram where providing the most of the entertainment them. And me have some video with Rebel, at least one with Rebel and one with she and Pretty also, when I go show you soon. But people want to know how far we know that take phone of friendship. Like, what are the boundaries? How much, you know what I mean? Where's the line? Me don't know where it is with these three girls, because I'm going to show a video where Rebel in the bathroom and TC and Pretty stood up right there. So take a look at this video.
Moan, do the please. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. Rebel on the talent calling. Me and Pretty when I'm home. If you think you walk a shit this
morning, you make a sad mistake. Sick in your head, shit in your body. It can go stay. It never come.
Janua, them say friend for life. But people, this is actually like amusing to me to see that, you know what I mean, three people can really find each other, friendship in each other, I should say. And it really to that level where, you know what I mean, she actually either the bathroom, a video, and another two of them did a dance, and I said them nah move. Them brave body. So I said that's that's all me know. But people, like me say, Rebel, you know, she have her own thing. Rebel is the one who really make some video. TC make some bad video too, you know. But for me, I don't know. Rebel just have some video more a while where just crazy and out there. You see me, I say, I'm pretty do her thing too. You see me, the whole of them have them individual lane of entertainment where them bring to the table. I think I only can get in the comment section and tell me. I don't really want to ask like who is your favorite for like single out nobody that way there, because we all know say the three of them capable of making we laugh. You know what I mean? But like me I say, for me, Rebel always makes some crazy videos. So take a look at this one. Here goes.
How to act when you see an attractive person. Make eye contact. Now look down, hold 1, 2, slowly look back, now look away. Soft smile, scratch your neck, lick your lips. Make eye contact. Now wink. Now with the other eye, now with both eyes. Now smolder. More fierce. Stick out the tip of your tongue. Now swallow really hard. Big deep breath. Eye contact. Now bite the tip of your finger. Now bite the middle of your finger. Now bite the base of your finger. Pull it out. Now subtly sniff your finger. Eye contact. Slowly start nodding yes. Yes. Now a little crazy in the eyes. Keep nodding, more crazy, and relax. Look back at them very quickly. Now look them up and down. Now lick your teeth and snap.
Yeah, people, so that was Rebel by herself. But like you have three of them, so you never know where you're gonna get. You never know if it's gonna be Rebel and TC. You never know if it's gonna be TC or Pretty and TC or Pretty and Rebel. Right? Wanna see how that go, right? A whole heap of options. You see it? So the next one I'm showing is a really quick one, but it's Rebel and Pretty. So this is like another little TikTok kind of thing. So I'm gonna show that one. So take a look at it. Really like how the Jamaican space is becoming multi-dimensional, where you can have talents who started out as a dancer, you know what I mean, now them a TikTok star, reality show star, and comedian, actress, actor, all kind of slash can go beside a lot of people name right now to all the things set up, and a lot of people are capitalize on the opportunities to expand their brand and even to fill out some space where kind of just dead there and nobody not really touch them grounds there yet. You know what I mean? Because the TikTok thing, yes, it a go on in the Jamaican space, but people have different kind of content where they do on TikTok, and what these ladies are doing is not really where we see too much other people are do. You know what I mean? Them entertainment and celebrity status allow them to do these kinds of video versus some people where you and I, if we are start from scratch, it not gonna really work out like that. Take for example Jada Kingdom. She do a lot of the challenges and them kind of thing there, and them shot. You see what I mean? I say she understand how TikTok work. You know what I mean? It's right up her alley, and it look good, man. I like. You see me, I say, Mrs. Shensi, I do a couple too, and all of them are shot. You see me? But people, I just all leave it there. So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Everybody wanna stay safe out there. Big up on yourself. Have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is, wherever you are. You know what I mean? Wanna big up on yourself. I'm out.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yadi.